welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and we are back with another video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, girl. We are back with another makeup look. So y'all, today I am gonna be using some eyeshadow. Make some noise, y'all. What? I have not used eyeshadow in so long, girl, especially like a whole little look. Now we don't do too much, but I'm gonna put something on the lids today, okay? Just a little something smoky, something neutral, something natural. And I'm also gonna be using a few new products too. So yeah, let's get into it. For my primer today, I'm gonna be using this one from e.l.f. And this is just a poreless primer. I have been seeing so many of the girls use the new, well, I think it's the same formula. I honestly just think it's in a squeeze tube versus this right here. I feel like the squeezy tube is a lot more sanitary. So once I use this one up, I'm gonna get that one because I really do enjoy this primer. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using this one from NARS. I truly enjoyed using this one in my last video, you guys. I loved how matte, how breathable my face was, and it definitely gave matte, but it also kind of gave satin, and it wore throughout the day really well. My face was still matte, but I will say it wasn't like cakey or anything like that, which I really enjoyed. So, okay, she the one. Estee Lauder, all right. Estee Lauder is my girl though, okay? Estee Lauder ain't going nowhere. She here to stay too. I'm trying to figure out how I can film TikTok and get content for y'all on here. Like, what am I supposed to do? Girl, I'm just a girl. If I had something to sit right here, that would be so good because I could like do a little 2-for-1. Girl, I'm doing the most. I'm actually kind of in a rush right now, and I really ain't got time to be doing everything that I'm doing right now. Baby, they just don't have to come to YouTube for the tutorials. Listen, I may have to do little short clips or films on TikTok, but the main squeeze is going to be on YouTube. If you see me keep looking right here, I'm looking at my viewfinder, so yeah. Trying to get used to my whole little film setup that I got going on here, y'all. Y'all like my braids? They cute. For my concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite combo, which has been the Tarte Shape Tape and the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Ever since I started using this e.l.f. Camo Concealer, these two right here, mixed together, chef's kiss, a dream. It's the perfect combination between like a satin finish concealer and a mattifying concealer, because you don't want your under eyes to be too dry. I don't care if you have oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, girl. You do not want your under eyes to be super dry, especially because you're going in with powder and setting them anyway. So definitely try this little concealer cocktail, if you will. She lit. You will like her. Trust me. Favorite e.l.f. beauty sponge, y'all already know. This is literally like the only sponge that I have been using. I actually was gonna get that beauty blender that they had today for Ulta's 21 days of beauty sale, but I ended up changing my mind. I'm like, you know what, we'll just stick to the e.l.f. I have so many on backup, and it's just a really nice sponge overall. It was a lot that I was going to get today that I did not get. I'm proud of myself for that. If you watch the vlogs, then you already know exactly what I'm talking about. For my powder, I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier powder, and this is in the shade Translucent Honey. It's been a minute since I've used her, okay? Like, she's been in the arsenal, like hiding out, incognito boo, nowhere to be found, but we bringing her back out today. That is beautiful. It looks so natural. That color is so pretty. I love a little powder with a little yellow undertone to it, okay? It looks so good because my undertone is like very warm and very yellow. I love that. That looks really good underneath my eye, girl. Like, if you have a really good concealer that does not crease and have the happy medium between not being too matte and not being too dewy, yeah, don't be afraid to use powders, girl. It looks really good. And this is not a powder that I worry about flashback at all with, because it does have a little bit of color to it, which is good for the black girls. So if you're a black girl, make sure you're using a powder with a little bit of color. It's gonna make your life so much easier, girl. Translucent, she cool. but my whole life has changed since I started using some powder with a little bit of color to it. Especially when you outside and you want to take pictures and stuff, okay? You do not want to be clocked. Yeah. That is not what I taught y'all, okay? Next, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline press powder. I love this powder, like no matter what foundation I'm wearing. I feel like it looks good with my L'Oreal Fresh Wear. It looks good with my Estee Lauder. We put it to the real test now, okay? We applying a little pressure. In my last video, we was testing and trying, but in this video, we're gonna see. And I'm using the shade 355 Coconut. My forehead is so dry, like my skin is literally cracking in this area, girl. I'm gonna have to make sure I put some bronzer on that forehead, honey. The Nose Snatcher, of course. So this is just the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. I honestly don't even think they sell this no more, girl. Like, this is so old. And I'm not gonna blend that too much because like I said, we are going in with a little eyeshadow. I can't believe it. The nose is snatched. For my bronzer, I'm going in with the Morphe Glamour Bronze, and I think this bronzer is discontinued. I don't know, do not quote me, but it's in the shade Phenom. And I'm not afraid to go in with this bronzer because this bronzer is perfect for my skin tone, especially right now. Because the NARS was cute in my last video, but she was a little dark. I really want to try Laguna 6, but I don't know. I have so many other bronzers, and bronzers literally take forever to use up, y'all. And I always bring my bronzer down. I don't even need no blush. Okay, listen, we can just go ahead and stop here. For my blush, I'm using this one from NYX, and this is the Sweet Cheeks blush. I don't know if their new blush is called the same thing or what, but this was a blush that they launched a minute ago. But I absolutely love this blush, and I love the color, but I have not used it in a minute, so this is another one of them ones that I've had in my collection and that I love, but I just don't get a chance to pick up a lot because I have been on Juvia's Place real bad. Okay, I just been on them real bad. I can't even come off of them. They just too good. Everything they do is good. Like their formula, they just get it right every time. Especially for the black girls. Everything is so pigmented. I love that. Whatever you see in the pan is what's gonna be on your face when it comes to Juvia's Place. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to let's do my little mole real quick, because y'all know we be having to do that one. Gotta do my little mole, girl. Listen. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my brow pencil. And for my brows, I'm just gonna be using, I feel like I'm all over the place, y'all, because I'm rushing. But for my brows, I'm gonna be using my Ruby Kisses Black Brown lip girl brow pencil, okay? I saw a TikTok the other day, and she basically was saying that she actually enjoys her 2016 style brows still to this day. And I'm that kind of girl too, y'all. Like, if it ain't broke, I'm not fixing it. So I'm the type of person, I'm not trying to try too many new things or whatever, especially because of my skin, y'all. It's already super sensitive to certain stuff, and while my skin is doing good, I'm not trying to cause any interruptions, okay? And I also just feel like if it's not broke, don't fix it. Like, some stuff, like even the way that the girls have been applying the concealer, some stuff is just too much for me. Girl, I don't know if that's making your job smarter or harder, honey. And don't get me wrong, it be looking real good, but I'm just the type of person where I just do what works for me. That's it, that's all. So if there's something that works for you, a technique or a certain product that's maybe discontinued or other people don't like if you like it, if it works for you, do it. Okay, because we all are different, and everybody has like their own little signature look, signature hairstyle, signature lip gloss, signature combo. Everybody can't wear the pink nude combo. Some people are red girlies, okay? Some of the girlies like nude, just nude by itself, or peachy nude. Like, it's so many different styles and different things for everybody. That's why it's so much out there, okay? Do your shit. Do your own little thing and do what work for you. Do your shit. Do your own little thing and do what work for you. And ever since I've got my brows micro shaded, I don't have to do much work at all. I literally just do a little fill-in. I don't do the whole concealer on the bottom thing anymore. My makeup routine is so much faster and easier. I'm sure it would be even more easier if I were to actually get my lashes done and get the whole mink thing. I don't even know what they call them, girl. If I were to get that done, the shit is so cute, but I just feel like for me, I just like to wash all my makeup. I like to get in there, and it's some days I don't want to wear anything on my face. I don't want anything on my face, no lashes, no nothing. So I just love having the option to wear falsies when I want to or not, and wear mascara when I want to or not. I'm gonna teach y'all something with these makeup videos because I feel like not every look needs a lash. Like some looks that you do is simply cute and simply just needs a mascara. We're gonna get into that though. We're gonna go ahead and put these lashes on. Of course, everything will be linked down below. And these lashes are actually from Shein, and as you guys can see, a pair is missing because I actually used a pair on my sister a few minutes ago, and they were really pretty on her, and her eyes are even smaller than mine. She literally has mono lids. I can't wait to try these out, and these are B08s. That's the number, just in case it don't tell you that on the link. They ate on my sister, so I know they gonna eat on me, okay? I'm going back in with some of the Maybelline powder, and I'm just gonna use it just to help me clean up everything. So cute. And I literally just put that on just to kind of like clean up everything. I take my same powder brush and just brush it out. I'm not trying to make it look obvious, but it just kind of helps the cheek area and my side profile to look a little cleaner. That's it. I completely almost forgot to do eyeshadow, y'all. That's how much I haven't been doing it. It's real quick though. I'm literally going to be taking this fluffy brush from Morphe, and this is the M330. And I'm gonna be using this Makeup Revolution palette. I'm not sure if this is still being sold or not, but this is my favorite palette that I always reach for and I always tend to go for. So we're gonna be using, we're gonna be taking this shade, this shade right here, this pretty brown shade. And I'm just gonna be blending this into my crease area. That's literally all I'm doing, y'all. Why I got y'all all hyped up and excited talking about we doing eyeshadow, and girl, we doing like 2 colors. I'm also gonna put that shade on my lids too. Although my lids are just naturally gonna look a little bit lighter. Girl, one thing at a time, one day at a time. We gotta easily jump our way too in this into this eyeshadow, girl. Listen. Now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced mascara, and I'm gonna be putting this on my top and my bottom lashes. I said I was gonna fix this whole mirror situation in my last vlog. In my last makeup video, but the mirror is still where it was last time. Listen, I'm still trying to play around with the settings on this camera lens and my filming space. So hopefully it's not kind of zooming in and out how it was last time, because when I went back to edit, that was getting on my nerves. And I know it was getting on y'all's. Taking a shot. Cheers.
Your ass is crazy.
These lashes are cute, but I feel like they look better on my sister. I'm jealous. And I say that because, like I told y'all, her eyelid space, like she has mono lids. She literally has no lid. But these actually are cute on my eyes. They kind of give me like a cat eye kind of vibe. And it worked out because I feel like me doing a whole eyeshadow look would kind of like take away from the lash. So it all worked out. It always does. Because God is too good. I definitely feel like I've made some small changes with my makeup application. because I know we was talking about that. So yeah, if you watch my vlog, then you already know I'm all over the place and I have ADHD undiagnosed. So anyways, I really do feel like I've made some small changes, but nothing too crazy, like nothing too out of the ordinary. The makeup is eating down, girl. Now for my favorite part, the lips. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using this liner from MAC, and this is MAC Chestnut. Let's spray the face first. L'Oreal Infallible to lock everything in. This is what I was telling you guys about in my last video. She good. She real good, okay? And she's actually kind of affordable to be a drugstore setting spray. Kinda, cause she a little pricey. I think she over like $15, $16. Here we go, honey. This sets, okay? And I love the way that this gives like a hairspray airbrush finish opposed to my Urban Decay. Now mind you, my Urban Decay does not disappoint me and it sets the face really well. However, sometimes it does like leave little spots on the face, but they do dry down and you cannot see them at all. But this one, she nice. Get you one of them going in with the liner. And then for my gloss, I actually have two options. So I have these Anastasia glosses that have been going viral on TikTok, y'all. I'm so glad to have them now in my collection and to actually try them on camera. And it not being a whole 5 months from now, because I just ordered these, y'all. They just came in the mail because we talked about that in my last little one. We ain't doing that, okay? We're gonna go ahead and use what we need, try what we need. If we don't like it, fine. If we do, great. So I don't know if I want to go in with Guava, which is a nude shade, or if I want to do Cotton Candy, which is a pink shade. I think we better do Guava. I want to do Cotton Candy, but we better just go ahead and do Guava. Girl, ain't nothing like a fresh little lip gloss. Let's try it. I've never seen a lip gloss that packed this much color. And I don't want to mess it up because I'm so dipping with this lip liner on. But eventually, it's going to get messed up, girl. It just is what it is. No lipstick needed. 2 items opposed to a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner. I'll take it. Sign me up. And this formula is really nice, too. Really nice. It's not super sticky. And it's also not, like, not thick enough. That's cute. Okay. We could use a little clear gloss on top, but I think that it looks good. Like, it definitely does pack some color. I like it with this MAC Chestnut liner a lot. This is gonna be a lip gloss that you definitely gonna need a mirror, because girl, if you try to apply this, unless you're just used to it, okay? You definitely need a lip liner with this. So the black girls can wear Guava, and I'm sure we can wear Cotton Candy too. I cannot wait to try Cotton Candy. Cotton Candy in the next video, or drugstore makeup. Which one? Comment down below and let me know. The face is beat, girl. Like, yeah. You need to go try some of these products. And I love that there was a mix of drugstore products along with high-end makeup products. I like a little bit of everything, okay? Long as it's got some good quality to it, we can work with it, okay? Quality over quantity for sure. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and want to see more makeup videos like this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, whether you want me to use the Cotton Candy gloss, honey, or if you want me to do a drugstore makeup video. Comment down below. I love y'all so much. Thank you all for taking the time out to watch today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah. Bye.